So today we're unboxing the new Ulefone Armor 10 5G. So this is probably one of the very first 5G handsets, rugged handsets. So a little bit about the phone. We have a 6.67 inch screen. It's IP68, IP69, so very tough. It has 4 cameras, which are 64, 8, 5 and 2. So very good cameras. The battery is 5,800 milliamps, so it's a decent battery as well. And another plus on this phone, it has wireless charging. They are an optional extra, but they're not too expensive. So you buy the pad, just drop the phone on it, it charges, and you haven't got to keep bothering to open the bottom. Talking of the camera, let's have a quick look. So if I just take a snap of what's on the wall, if you can see that, I'll have a quick look. So already I can see that is absolutely crystal clear. Zooms in, fantastic. So really good camera on it. Android 10. So we've got a radio. Another great thing, got a user guide on it. There's a user manual. Got your usual safety emergency things. There's a toolbox in it. Everything you want in a phone. We can do this phone on contract for you, and we also give the phone ourselves the full 12 months UK warranty, so you don't have to fight to send it back to somewhere not in the UK. We just send it back to us and we will get it sorted for you. So let's have a quick look now what's in the box. Tempered glass screen protector, we always say put those on, absolutely fantastic. Stops the screen being broken if it was, you know, the phone were to be to drop severely and it did crack. It cracks this, not the handset. So you've got your usual leads and bits and bobs in there. Adapters, as I say, UK charger because it's a UK phone, warranted. So all in all, I'm very impressed with it, and as I say, it's 5G, so we can pop you onto a 5G tariff and have super fast internet and broadband on it. Thank you.